Hi, I'm Jeremiah with System 51 Advanced Waxes and Polishes. Today we're going to demonstrate the proper usage of our line of products. Now I'm going to show you how to safely polish out your headlights. Using a 1000 grit sandpaper, we're going to remove the oxidation and a water bottle. This is what we call wet sanding. And as you see, that yellow that's coming off is oxidation. After removing the oxidation, we're going to use a 3-inch wool pad designed especially for the headlights. You can use the Perfect Cut or the Pro Cut to get the job done. This is the quickest and easiest way to clean up your headlights. Small amount of pressure needed. Final step in headlight restoration is switching over to your foam pad. This removes the fine scratches that the wool pad left behind, polishes out, making it look brand new. Using very little product. And we're done. But we are going to apply a layer of protection with our replenish wax. This is also a process in cleaning up. Remove all your overspray. Guaranteed to last.